Hello students, let's read some short words together. These are three-letter words. They are AT words. Ready? B-A-T, B-A-T, bat. C-A-T, C-A-T, cat. F-A-T, F-A-T, fat. H-A-T, H-A-T, hat. M-A-T, M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, R-A-T, rat. S-A-T, S-A-T, sat. Now let's read a whole sentence. Listen first and then read with me. The cat sat. Now your turn. The rat sat. Now your turn. The fat cat. Repeat. The fat rat. Repeat after me. The bat sat. It's your turn. The fat bat. Come on, say it. See the cat. See the rat. Repeat. See the bat. It's your turn now. The cat was fat. Are you done with it? The next. The rat was fat. The bat was fat. Very good. The cat saw rat. That's great. The rat saw cat. The cat ran out. Great job. The rat ran out. Wonderful. The fat cat sat. Great job. The fat rat sat. Very good. The fat bat sat. Wonderful. Cat sat and sat. Excellent job. Rat sat and sat. Very good. Bat sat and sat. The cat had hat. Very good. The rat had hat. Wonderful. The bat had hat. Great. Yes, you have spotted all the three-letter words and pronounced them very well. Keep practicing. Word champions. Bye-bye.